Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the adorable world of AirPods accessories with the TOLUOHU Cute AirPods Case 3-pack in the Rainbow Suite Edition. Now, if you're looking to add a touch of whimsy to your AirPods first or second generation, stay tuned because these cases are not only cute but also practical. First things first, let's talk about the design. The pack includes 3 eye-catching cases. We've got a goldfish, rainbow candy, and a chocolate food design. They're made of premium silicone, giving them a soft and pleasant feel. The attention to detail is fantastic, and they're sure to stand out. Perfect for women, girls, men, boys, and kids alike. What sets this package apart is the attention to practicality. Each case comes with a sturdy metal keychain, making it super convenient to attach to your handbags or backpacks. No more digging through your bag to find your AirPods. They'll be right there with you. Now, let's talk about the material. TOLUOHU uses high-quality silicone that provides excellent protection against bumps, shocks, and accidental drops. The surface is not only cute but also waterproof and dustproof, ensuring your AirPods stay in pristine condition. The package includes 3 AirPods silicone cases, 3 keychains, and 3 removal tools, making it easy to replace them when needed. Just a heads up, though, the AirPods 2.1 and the charging case are not included, so you'll need to use your OWN.ASA bonus. TOLUOHU stands behind their product, offering a 90-day money-back guarantee. So, if you encounter any issues or receive defective products, don't hesitate to reach out. They've got you covered. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a cute and functional AirPods case, the TOLUOHU 3-pack and Rainbow Suite is worth considering. It's a fantastic holiday gift for friends, family, or even yourself. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay tuned, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.